Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Teach Marky. For this video, I'm going to show you the answers to your activity sheet number 2, which is about earthquake's epicenter and magnitude. Let us now begin. Question number 1. Which of the following describes an active fault? The correct answer is expected to generate earthquake. Question number 2. Where is the epicenter located in the illustration? The correct answer is number 2. Question number 3. Which of the following statements is true about the epicenter of an earthquake? The correct answer is the epicenter is the point on the Earth's surface just above the location where the movement on the fault began. Question number 4. What do you call those red lines that run from Luzon to the northern part of Mindanao? Use the image below. The correct answer is fault. Question number 5. Which of the following statements differentiates focus from the epicenter? The correct answer is the focus is the point where the rock first breaks, while the epicenter is the point on the surface above the focus. Question number 6. Look at the intensity scale of an earthquake below. What intensity scale would be given if the description is motorists feel like driving in flat tires? The correct answer is intensity 6. Question number 7. Which of the following is true about intensity? The correct answer is intensity tells how much a certain area was shaken when the earthquake reached that area. Question number 8. What type of earthquake focus can be used when the focal depth from the Earth's surface is less than 70 kilometers? The correct answer is shallow focus. Question number 9. He is an American seismologist and physicist who revised the earthquake magnitude scale. Use the image below for your answer. The correct answer is Charles Richter. Question number 10. Which point is closest to the epicenter? The correct answer is point B. Question number 11. Using the map of active faults and trenches in the Philippines, where do you think is the safest place to live on because faults are not seen in this place? The correct answer is Palawan. Question number 12. Which of the following statements refers to the magnitude scale? The correct answer is it is the quantified value of seismic energy produced during an earthquake. Question number 13. In which of these places will an intense earthquake likely happen? The correct answer is a long active fault. Question number 14. Look at the image below. What do you call this instrument? The correct answer is seismometer. Question number 15. What does PEIS stand for? The correct answer is Phoenix Earthquake Intensity Scale. Question number 16. Which of the following is the description of earthquake intensity 2? The correct answer is felt by few individuals at rest indoors. Question number 17. Where is the focus located in the illustration? The correct answer is number 3. Question number 18. What does PHIVOLCS stand for? The correct answer is Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology. Question number 19. What factor determines the strength of an earthquake? The depth of its blank. The correct answer is focus. Question number 20. Which of the following are the affected areas of the Marikina Fault Valley System? The correct answer is Montalban, San Mateo, Pasig, Taguig, and Muntinlupa. Question number 21. It refers to areas that can be identified but which do not have earthquakes. The correct answer is inactive fault. Question number 22. Study the Richter magnitude scale below, then answer the question that follows. What can you conclude about the magnitude scale of an earthquake? The correct answer is, as the magnitude increases, the effects of the earthquake is getting greater. Question number 23. The image below shows the effect of the earthquake that hit Nepal last April 25, 2015. Which of the following statements best describes the scenario in the image? The correct answer is the buildings collapsed some parts of the land moved up and the people are shocked. Question number 24. An earthquake of magnitude 5.7 struck south of the Philippines capital, Manila, early on Monday. The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, or PHIVOLCS, said. The agency said the quake struck at a depth of 74 kilometers or 46 miles, and that aftershocks and damage could be expected. What type of earthquake's focal depth that hit Manila? The correct answer is intermediate focused. Question number 25. Which Philippine fault line are Moro Gulf and the Celebes Sea part of? The correct answer is Southern of Mindanao Fault. Finally, this ends this video presentation. If your score is 13 or above, congratulations! If your score is 12 or below, it means that we have to watch again the video lesson about earthquake's epicenter and magnitude and look for those correct answers of your missed questions. Thank you for listening.